Do you know the most painful feeling while learning English? You know some English, you understand English, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. Your heart beats fast, you become nervous, and suddenly you forget everything. If this happens with you, trust me, you are not alone. Because I've also faced the same problem. And in this video, I will share what helped me become more confident while speaking English. Hello everyone, this is Saroj and welcome to my English learning journey. I'm not a perfect English speaker. I'm also learning step by step. In this channel, I share real methods that actually help me improve my English. So if you are nervous while speaking English, this video is for you. First, let's understand something important. Most people think I am nervous because my English is weak, but that's not the real reason. The real reason is fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, fear of speaking wrong grammar, fear of forgetting words. And because of this fear, we stop speaking. I used to think, what if people laugh at me? What if I say something wrong? And because of that, I stayed silent many times. But slowly, I realized something very important. Nobody becomes fluent without making mistakes. Nobody. The first thing that helped me was starting with small sentences. Many beginners trying to speak long and difficult sentences. That creates pressure. Instead, speak simple English. For example, I am feeling nervous. I need more practice. I am trying to improve. Simple sentences builds confidence, and confidence slowly removes nervousness. Remember, fluency starts with simple English, not perfect English. The second thing that helped me was speaking alone. If you feel nervous speaking in front of people, start alone. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. For example, today I woke up late. I am going to office. I have lots of work today. This habit trains your brain to think and speak in English, and slowly speaking becomes natural. This point changed my mindset. I stopped trying to sound perfect because perfection creates pressure, and pressure creates nervousness. Now when I speak, I focus on communication, not perfect grammar. Even I make mistakes, I continue speaking, and honestly, this helped me to improve much faster. Because confidence goes through speaking, not through overthinking. Another important thing is daily practice. Confidence doesn't come in one day. You build it slowly. Even 15 minutes of daily speaking practice can help a lot. You can speak in front of mirror, record your voice, repeat English sentences, think in English. The more you practice, the less nervous you feel because your brain becomes familiar with English. One mistake many beginners make is comparing themselves with fluent speakers. Don't do that. Everyone starts somewhere. Even fluent speakers were beginners once. Compare yourself with your last version and ask yourself, am I better than last month? That's the real progress. Let me tell you something honestly. Confidence in English is not a magic. It comes from practice, patience, and repetition. At first, you may feel nervous. That's normal. But if you continue speaking every day, one day you will realize you are speaking without fear, and that feeling is amazing. So if you feel nervous while speaking English, don't stop. Keep practicing, keep speaking. Mistakes are part of the journey. And remember, confidence comes after practice, not before practice. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And comment below what makes you nervous while speaking English. I read all your comments. See you in the next video. Thank you.